Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this vlog, I'll be doing a mini Shein haul. Yun, mini lang kasi masyadong mahal and hindi ko na talaga afford yung mga items dun sa Shein. And also, I am so sorry sa ingay kasi I turned on our electric fan kasi napaka-init. Yun. So, done with the prologue or whatever, or introduction. Let's get started. So for the first item that I've got from Shein is this necklace that I'm wearing. Come here, closer. Yes, this colorful butterfly necklace. I'll pop a short clip here para makita nyo talaga. So yes, I bought it on Shein and nakalimutan ko na yung price niya. I think I bought it for 75 pesos and yun. That's the necklace. This is the first item that I've got from Shein. Diba ang cute niya? Cute. I mean, who wouldn't buy these kind of necklaces? By the way, 6 items lang yung binili ko for me sa Shein. And yun yung mga ipapakita ko sa inyo. Kaya mini haul lang talaga to. For the next item naman is this. Wait, but...
Lalagyan natin ng effects. Is this? Oh!
This? No. Earring, this? Hindi siya masyadong kita, no? It's stars. No, makita ko na lang. Maglalagay na lang ako ng clip dyan. It is a star, hook ba tawag ito? Earrings. And napaka-cute talaga. Gusto ko sanang suotin, but hindi ko siya masuot kasi there's a problem on it. Hindi kasya yung stud niya sa hole niya. So, I think this is some kind of useless kasi hindi naman na magagamit. So, yun na. Done with the accessories part. So, let's move on to the clothes na. Actually, yung binili ko from Shein na mga clothes are mostly basic tops. Yeah, very basic kasi they are much more affordable than some extravagant or whatever. So, yun. So, the first item that I got from Shein is this top that I'm wearing. I mean, this is a purple or lilac or whatever. Yeah, I mean, I'll let you see a clip. Yeah. Ang cute-cute nito kasi may ano pa siya, colorful buttons. I mean, from, I don't know, yeah, ayun, it's a baby tee, some kind of baby tee, square neck, and yun na nga. For the next item is this pink cardigan, baby cardigan, kasi it's a fit cardigan, and some kind of baby tee also. I'm so into baby tee right now, I don't know why. So yeah, may ano pa siya, what do you call this? Sliding bag? Ewan. Makikita nyo sa bag na to, may ano siya, may button, free button, as you can see. It's a pink one. Yeah, this is what it is. So papakita lang ako ng clip dyan on how it is worn, how it is. This is some kind of try and haul. So yeah, I'm gonna put the clip here when I tried it on.
Save me, I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early, I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places on the faces we call love.
So, done with this second item. The last one for the tops is this, zip lock. This is what it looks like. It's also a baby tee because yeah, that's what I've said. I'm so into baby tees right now, and it also has a free button as well, just like the pink one. This is how it looks like. I mean, papakita rin ako ng clip dyan when I tried it on. let's move on sa lower clothing na in-order ko from Shein. And by the way, isa lang po yung in-order ko bottom from Shein, and it's this. Yeah, ang laki ng lalagyan. Lalagyan ko na. Ang ingay. This is how it looks like. It's made by a noisy tela, kind of jogger at jogger na may pag ganito siya sa sa dito niya sa baba. So when you pull this, magko-curl siya dito, so or ruch or whatever. So yeah, in-order ko to because of this. Ito lang yung gustuhan ko. Hindi siya garterized. It's garterized, but unadjustable. I mean, hindi siya ma-adjust. These are just for designs, not really for some adjustments. Yeah. So yung in-order ko nga is what I've said, I am small from Shein women. Those are what I bought from Shein. Hi friends! So for this clip, ilalagay ko to sa end part ng video na to kasi
para hindi this is unplanned and unexpectedly may dumating na package from SocMed. And yes, today i-unbox natin ito
by the way, a short story. This package, I got it from pHCare and hindi ko ito pinili, and they just gave me this kasi nanalo din ako sa mga giveaway nila.
Congratulations!
Yan, nanalo na ulit ako. So, without further daldal, let's unbox. Kunwari, hindi ko pa ito in-unbox kahapon. Got here a small paper bag. Yeah, this is a small paper bag from pHCare. Kita nyo naman kung saan galing. Let's start the unboxing. Wait. Yeah. Ta-da! Nasira na siya. Nasira, girl. Okay, so let's see kung ano ang laman ng package na to. So first is this. Know what this is? Yeah, pHCare Naturals Jhoevell Leaf Extra. Some pHCare products, hindi lang isa, kundi dalawa. Yeah, I'm so happy for this. These are the product that I got. Ito yung laman nito. Dalawang pHCare products with Jhoevell Leaf Extra. And this small pouch over here. Wait, ilalagay ko na. So yeah, these are what I got. Kasi tingnan nyo, wala nang laman. So ito yung laman. Ito yung laman ng paper bag na yan. So tingnan natin naman itong pouch. This small pouch. Carton or whatever. And this two small. Oh my gosh, ang blue niya. This small pHCare, I don't know what you call this. It says here an 8 give. So ito yung laman ng pouch. And you know what's exciting about this, or what's cute about this, are when you pull it out, it's a USB, an 8 gig USB from pHCare. Diba ang cute ng, this is so cute, ang cute. And I have two cute USBs from pHCare and they are both 8 gig each. So yeah, ito na. So yun lang yung laman ng ng package na binigay sa akin ng pHCare. So yes, nanalo na ulit ako, and I am very grateful sa pHCare for these blessings or opportunities, or what do you call it, na binigay nila sa akin. I just joined some simple giveaway promo nila, and yun, nag-join ako, and unexpectedly I won, and I am so happy. It was on December pa, last year pa ako nanalo ng, and it just came kasi busy yung yung career nila, kaya yeah, Ngayon ko lang na-receive. Thank you. Sabihin mo, thank you, pHCare. Thank you so much, pHCare, for this. Wala po akong na gastos sa mga sa mga ito. Wala akong nabayad. Hindi po ako bumayad kahit piso man lang sa mga ito. Kaya, thank you so much, pHCare, for this. Yeah, I've been thanking you. So, thank you po talaga. Maraming salamat po. And that's it for this video. I hope you like it. And if you like it, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe down below for you to be updated on my next vlogs or videos. So, yes. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon on my next vlogs. Bye!